Not sure if TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are actually enabled on your Windows 11 PC? Don't guess. Before you upgrade, reinstall Windows, or change BIOS settings, check them first. In this video, I'll show you how to confirm TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot directly inside Windows 11 without entering BIOS, without changing anything, and without risking your system settings. Let's start with TPM 2.0. First, right-click the Start button and select Run. Type tpm.msc, then click OK. This opens the Trusted Platform Module Management window. Now don't worry about all the details on the screen. You only need to check two things. First, look at the status section. If you see the TPM is ready for use, that means TPM is enabled and working in Windows. Next, look under TPM manufacturer information. Find specification version. For Windows 11, this should show 2.0. If the status says TPM is ready for use and the specification version says 2.0, your TPM check is good. If Windows says a compatible TPM cannot be found or TPM is not ready, TPM may be disabled in BIOS or your device may not support TPM 2.0. Now let's check Secure Boot. Click Start and type System Information. Open System Information. Make sure System Summary is selected on the left side. Now look for BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, that's what you want to see. Secure Boot works with UEFI, so if this says Legacy, Secure Boot may not be available until the system is configured differently. Next, look for Secure Boot state. If it says On, Secure Boot is enabled. If it says Off, Secure Boot is currently disabled. If it says Unsupported, your PC is likely using Legacy BIOS mode instead of UEFI, so Secure Boot may not be available. That's it! You now know how to check if TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled in Windows 11. If TPM or Secure Boot is turned off, watch my step-by-step tutorial on how to enable them on an ASUS motherboard. If this helped, subscribe for more simple Windows and BIOS tutorials.